Hey guys, want to do a quick video on batching. What is batching? Batching is doing a number of tasks together instead of doing them one at a time. You're trying to put them together, save time, and create efficiency. Did this video while I am making a bunch of meal preps, which is one form of batching. Why would you want to do batching? I find that a lot of times people waste so much time. Instead of doing a task 10 times at the same time where they can save a bunch of time, they do the task multiple times throughout the day, which makes it difficult because you have to stop what you're doing, prep, clean up, get mentally prepared. And so batching can be done in multiple aspects of life, in business, in personal and day-to-day, and parenting, batching your kids' sports activities. But for this quick example, I'm doing batching of meal preps. So if you see over here, instead of just making one salad, we're going to go ahead and make 3 salads, so I don't have to spend the time to re-prep everything the next day and then re-prep everything the next day, pull it out. Just do it all at the same time, put it in the fridge, pull the stuff out, and you're going to save a lot of time, and it's just much easier. Not only you're saving time not to set everything up the next day, you're just saving time because you're being more efficient while you're doing it, because you're doing it all at the same time. So a bunch of prep time. Where I see people waste the most time is via emails and social media. And I'm going to reference Tim Ferris's The 4-Hour Work Week, which is a great book. And he talks about batching a whole lot in there, and how you can batch sometimes and only check your email once a week, on Mondays, instead of checking it like most people do, multiple times during the day, maybe 10 times during the day, or 5 to 10 times during the day. And you're just not being efficient there because you're stopping what you're doing, you're putting out a fire. The same thing with dinner preps, or prepping for healthy snacks is going to lead to success for your kids or yourself. So you're not going to reach in and grab that easy candy bar because you already made this really healthy monster muffin with oatmeal and raisins that you can just pull out and eat it real quick instead of grabbing that junk. So batching can just help you in multiple aspects of life. I find it very important. Again, I'll reference Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week, where it brings some more examples, but those are the few implementations you can make to make yourself successful. Meal prepping, email batching, phone calls, batching your kids' sports together. Those are the main ones that I can think of. So hopefully that helped. If you find that this information you found helpful, definitely like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys.